And hello, 30 Minutes Fantasy fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So, right now, what we have here is an item shop 2, which is the option for the fighters for the 30 Minutes Fantasy, where you can see two fighters there. I think this is some fighters from both Rosan and also from Liver, enjoying the shop items from the shop 2. So that's what we have in the box art, and off to the side, we can see what's inside of them, or once completed, what they are, of course, how you can equip them, some options and weapons for the fighters, using the silhouette too, and of course, this is fully compatible with other 30 minutes, you know, um, we call that lines like 30-minute missions, 30-minute scissors, and of course, you have the option to paint them, and of course, some information. And let's see what's inside the box. First off, we have one bag with two screws, two identical screws, and another bag with the armor and the weapons, and that's all. And of course, we have here the instruction manual, wherein it shows you how to assemble them, and of course, if you are going to use the armor, how you can put them. So let's take a look individually at screws. So first off, we have here the option or the items to dash A, wherein we see the weapons here and some part of the armor, and then it also has a B. Actually, two identical parts for the B. For the crate, the mug, and some connectors. But unfortunately, unlike the item shop one, wherein there was a clear chest, this one is just a crate. And of course, what we see here is the B one, wherein some more armor parts and some connectors to connect to the RT 30 minutes line. And of course, there you have it, 30 minutes fantasy fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the item shop 2 for the fighter or the fighter option. And yep, more compatibilities with the other 30 minutes line, and it's beginning to feel more like about Force Fantasy, Dark Souls, I don't know. And this is before saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, doing other videos, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.